The Realme GT Neo 5 is launching on February 9th in the Chinese market, and the main highlight of this phone is its charging speed. This phone supports 240 watt fast charging, which is crazy fast. We do not know when the phone will launch in the global market, but Realme might showcase this phone at the MWC Barcelona, which is happening at the end of February. This video is all about the design of the Realme GT Neo 5 because Realme has now revealed the full design of the phone, and there are some unique design elements this time. The biggest design highlight of GT Neo 5 is the RGB light on the back. We are not sure whether all the color options of the phone will have this RGB light on the back or only this purple color option. Anyways, since it is an RGB light, it can show various colors, so it will act as a notification light as well. For example, if your battery is low, then this will glow up in red color, or if you get a message, then it will show green color, and so on. This may sound familiar to the Nothing phone's LED lights, but the Realme GT Neo 5 can show different colors based on different scenarios. Realme says that there are up to 25 different colors that you can choose from for this RGB light, with 2 display modes and 5 level of rhythm adjustment. Another thing to note is that the area around this RGB light is transparent, and we can see the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 branding underneath, so that also confirms the chipset. Some other features are also mentioned on the back, for example a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor with OIS, NFC, SuperVOOC charging and IR blaster. Build quality wise, the Realme GT Neo 5 has a glass back with a matte finish. Overall, the Realme GT Neo 5 definitely looks unique, especially in that purple color option. We already know the specifications of this phone, so the Realme GT Neo 5 has a 6.7-inch display with a 1.5K resolution, and it is a 10-bit OLED with 144Hz refresh rate. There is LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. The phone runs on Android 13 out of the box. Apart from the primary 50 megapixel IMX890 sensor with OIS, there are 2 other cameras on the back. One is for ultra-wide photos with an 8 megapixel sensor, and the other is probably for macro photos with a 2 megapixel sensor. As for the battery size and charging speed, there are 2 versions of this phone. One with a 5000 mAh battery and 150 watt fast charging, whereas the other with a 4600 mAh battery and 240 watt fast charging. So what do you think of the design? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.